Good evening everybody, and welcome to another episode in the lockdown series. It's day 13. It's warm, it's really windy tonight. I hope you can hear me okay. I know in previous videos I've just happened to have been walking in the direction of the wind and it's been blocking me out a little bit, so I hope you can hear me alright. Another great night last night, 2 nights in a row now. We've had decent footage. I wanted to get close-ups with the camera a little bit lower down, and that's exactly what I got. So I'll show you that now. So yeah, some good images there. Really pleased with those. For once, I've definitely been able to identify that it was definitely a vixen. Like I showed on the video, you can see the teeth of the vixen. So tonight I'm hoping to set the camera right by the stream. There's a little sort of footbridge over the stream. Well, it's a plank really, but it's what people use as a little bridge. And I have a feeling the fox might come over there, or at least through the stream. I have seen footprints in the mud on the opposite side of the stream, so hopefully it might come across there somewhere. So I'm going to put some bait down again. Sorry, my eyes keep wandering off, you've probably noticed that before. Yeah, I'm going to put the bait down again, right on the actual footbridge, and just on the other side. We'll see what we get. As it is now, because I've had 2 nights of footage, I'm not bothered if I don't get any anymore. I won't be as disappointed because I've already done brilliant as far as I'm concerned, but anything we get now is a bonus. So that's what we're going to do tonight. Well, that to me looks like it might be the fur of a rabbit. I think I did see one in the field last night late on. I don't know whether you can see up there, but somebody's put an owl box, nesting box up there. Don't know if there's anything in there. Can't see any obvious signs. No, that doesn't mean it's not in use. So I hope you enjoyed that footage of the vixen close up. If you did, give us a thumbs up, and if you're new to the channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, which is up here, or the one down below. Leave a comment if you've got any comments or questions. Don't forget to click that bell icon so you don't miss out on my next video. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.